Hi there, I'm Ian Andrews, the Executive Director at Lakewood Alive.
And I'm Allison Urbanik. I'm the Housing and Internal Operations Director here at Lakewood Alive.
Lakewood Alive is a nonprofit community development organization whose mission is to foster and sustain vibrant neighborhoods. We do that through three core programs: housing outreach, making sure that everyone in Lakewood lives in healthy and safe housing with a focus on low to moderate income residents; working with our small business partners, because in Lakewood, small business is big business, and connecting them to services and one another; and hosting large-scale quality of life events to make sure that we celebrate why Lakewood is such a great place to live and work.
The Cox Tech Boost Grant would make an amazing impact here at Lakewood Alive. We are a small shop. Our budget is less than $500,000. We have 7 staff members, and through those 7 staff members, we serve roughly 2,000 people in our community, whether it's a small business owner or if it's an owner-occupied resident or a renter. The technology that we have here in our offices is very old and outdated. We are using Chromebooks almost 24/7 to be able to work remotely from home to access our computers. And here in the office, we do have desktops that are probably anywhere from 5 to 7 years old per desktop, which makes things very challenging. We have low memory issues. We have different Windows versions that are not communicating with one another. Things are just really hard and they bog us down. Technology, this grant, giving us better access to technology, not only will allow us to better serve our clients, our small business friends, and our residents here in the community, it will allow us to work better with each other and become more successful and to really just boost ourselves in the community. Technology is something that we are in desperate need of, and this grant would be huge to us and to Lakewood. It would help us better serve everyone.
So thank you, Cox, for your consideration of our Tech Boost Grant. We appreciate the consideration. Cox has been a fantastic partner with Lakewood Alive for many years, and we appreciate you reviewing our grant application.
Thank you for everything.
Thank you.